Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little angels. Welcome to your class Kindercare. I know that all of you are doing fine and well, and you'll be enjoying your summer vacations. So, should we start our first lesson? Yes, let's go. So my beautiful kids, today we are going to learn different types of lines, and by learning them you will be able to hold your pencils very strongly, just like your mama and your papa. So first we are going to learn the standing lines. What are standing lines? Any idea? No? Okay, let me tell you then. A standing line, as you can see in the picture, is very straight from the top to the bottom, just like when you are standing on the floor. Got it? No? Okay, let me give you some more examples. Look at this picture number 1. I know you all would have these pretty, beautiful, colorful pencils. Take them out and hold them in your hands. You will all find that they are very straight from the top to the bottom, just like the standing lines. Now look at picture number 2. In picture number 2, you can see a matchbox stick. So my boys, go to your kitchen and ask your mummy to get you some matchbox sticks. You will see that they are also very straight, just like the standing line. Now example number 3 is going to be very interesting. It is about something your favorite. Let me show it to you. Yes, we are having some colorful juice straws. Look at them. They all are very straight, just like the standing line. In picture number 4, you can see a green colored candle. The candle is also very straight from the top to the bottom. So my kids, do you have some more things in your mind? Well, I do have. In this picture, you can see a tree stem. A tree stem that you can find in your home or on the road. It looks like the standing line. And finally, an electric pole. You can find it on the road, standing tall and straight, just like the standing line. So my kids, by learning the standing line, you can perfectly draw a straight line and you can write many things just like the digit 1, alif of haruf tahajji, al from English alphabets, and much more. So my kids, first we have learned the standing lines. Now we are going to learn the slanting lines. Slanting lines are just like the standing lines, but they are slightly curved or bent, as you can see in the picture. Look at this man. He is slightly bent or curved, just like the standing line. You can try it by yourself, just like the man did. Also, you can see the slanting lines can be like the purple one, or it can be like the greenish one. So boys, let me give you some examples for the slanting line. In picture number 1, you can see a colorful slide. Well, I know that all of you love it a lot and you can find it in the park. But look at the shape of the slide. It looks like a slanting line. Now look at the picture number 2. What is this? Yes, it's a ladder. A ladder also looks like a slanting line. So now my boys, I will tell you that by learning and practicing of the slanting lines, you can draw an English alphabet A. Look at the alphabet A. It is formed by two slanting lines. You can write the math digit 7. It is formed by one slanting line. And you can also draw a triangle which is formed by two slanting lines, and you can draw much more. So now we are going to learn the circle or round shape. As you can see that the green colored Mr. Circle is standing and he is round from all the sides just like a ball. So let's have some examples of the circle shape. Here you can see a cute sun who have a round or circle shape, and it also looks like Mr. Circle. And now we have a football. Yes, I know we all love to play football. And look at the football. It also looks like Mr. Circle. And here we have a nice shirt button. Oh, so it also like Mr. Circle. Very good. Can you think of some more examples? Yes, you are right. The juicy orange also looks like Mr. Circle. Oh, here's a bicycle. And I found something like Mr. Circle in it. Can you tell me what is it? Yes, very good. It's two wheel of the cycle that looks like Mr. Circle. Now, by practicing in drawing the circle shape, you will learn to draw the round and curved alphabets like 0 and the letter O. So now here comes the turn of our last curved lines. Curved lines. What are they? Let me show them to you. Curved lines are like the lines following the balloons. They are curved and bent and floating just like the water. A curved line can also look like the lines in picture number 2. Now I have some example for you of the curved lines. Look at the beautiful house. Here you can find a door. As you can see that the line of the door is standing from one side and it takes a round curve and then takes a standing line again downwards. So it's a curved line. In picture number 2, you can see some yummy ice creams. They also begins with the standing line and then takes a round curve, so we call them curved lines. Now I will tell you that by learning the curved lines, you can draw the B, in which we have two curved lines, and the letter C, which is perfectly looks like a curved line. Similarly, you can also write digit 2 that begins with the curved line. So that's all about the lines. I hope you would have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for listening. Keep learning and practicing them. Have a good day.